Hello YouTubers, this is Guitar Basics. And yes, as you can see on the thumbnail, Born Under a Bad Sign by Albert King. But this will be the Albert King and SRV session. First up, I'm going to have an audio, and as you listen to the phrasing and then the licks, listen to every detail. And then later I'm going to show you the licks on the fretboard. So now that we are close up and we can see the fretboard and we can see what I'm playing, I'm going to begin by telling you the first two notes. Well, not exactly the first two notes, the first two strings. The first string and the second string. But the first attack is going to be on the 13th fret to the 10th fret. So he says, born under a bad sign, I've been down since I began to crawl. So let's do that again. Born under a bad sign, I've been down since I began to crawl. We're going to play 13, 10, 12, 10, and 12, 10. So 13, 10, 12, 10, 12. I put an extra. So it goes, I've been down since I began to crawl. And the other phrase after I've been down since I began to crawl is, if it wasn't for bad luck, so you're going to play 10, 12. So the 10 is going to be on the third string. 12 is going to be on the fourth string, which is D where we're playing. But I want to keep it, Cookie Monster Barney style, just real simple. So if it wasn't for bad luck, I wouldn't have no luck at all. And then that whole phrasing there, so how I'm doing it, I'm going like Jimi Hendrix sometimes. Well, I'll get that right someday. But yeah, so if it wasn't for bad luck, I wouldn't have no luck at all. One more time. One more time to ingrain it in your brain. Sorry about the last clip, but I'm running out of memory. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe, like, share, hit the notification.